Take a look at shares of Tesla because they're moving lower. And within the last half hour, there was a Bloomberg report indicating that SEC investigators may be probing some of Elon Musk's tweets prior to the one that was sent out on Tuesday, where he indicated that he had secured funding to take the company private. We should point out that there is no indication that there is a formal investigation yet that has been opened by the SEC. All we have are reports that the SEC is looking into these tweets, and now this other report from Bloomberg that they are looking into other tweets or communication from Elon Musk. We have also reached out to Tesla today, and Tesla has had no comments regarding any of these reports about the SEC looking into these communications from Elon Musk.
What other communications could it be, Phil? What other communications would we be talking about?
Well, no, we don't know. Look, this is a vacuum right now, Michelle. All we know is
I'm sorry, I thought I saw a headline that said something
about
related to production targets in the reports that have crossed.
Well, production targets and sales have been indicated in that report, but that's not been confirmed by the SEC. We should also point out, Michelle, that Matt Cuddy, who runs our D.C. bureau, had a great point today. He said, look, the SEC sends out lots of communications to lots of companies. Doesn't always mean that there's a formal investigation or that something has been broadened. But in this environment, given what's going on with Tesla, that's the way that the market is taking it, and that's why the stock is now down, what, more than $20?
Phil, for all that we've talked about this story this week, I haven't actually managed to talk to you about it yet. So stepping back from today's headlines, as we've discussed for months and months, often Elon Musk makes promises and they're not delivered on, whether it's production targets or whatever. If he fails to deliver on this particular promise, this latest one about taking it private, is that a nail in the coffin for people never believing him again, or can he get away with it?
No, I don't think so.
He has done before.
Well, I don't think it's a nail in the coffin. I also don't know that you could say, look, he got away with something. His own words a couple of months ago were, I would take what I say and, take it with a grain of salt, because I'm not always 100% accurate. Those were his own words. So, I think that people, I'm not sure how much this changes people's perceptions about Elon Musk as a CEO and about his communication. The skeptics still are skeptical. And you go on Twitter. There's no shortage of people who are saying, we're with you, Elon. You wouldn't have said it if you didn't have funding secured.